Pakistan can become a regional manufacturing partner, technology collaboration, hub, distribution base, and gate.
枢纽和通往中东、中亚、非洲、南亚等地，巴基斯坦可以成为中国的门户。巴基斯坦人口是全球第5大。
The industrial sector in Pakistan has shown resilience and growth, recently contributing approximately 20% to the national GDP.
Under the EFS, export-oriented industries can import raw materials and components and industrial inputs.
真正出口的全球提供了非常便利的税收优惠。
This gives Chinese companies a strong total income tax incentives under the applicable policy structure.
这给了中国会建立特别经济区和在特别经济区的相关政策框架内，可以受益于财政所得税的优惠。这是一个非常好的时机，因为巴基斯坦正在
政府也会给予你们非常强有力的支持。
We believe that there was when I was reading one Belt and Road Initiative, it has industrial zones which will be set up in Pakistan. Now only one zone has started in Gawadar, and that also is exporting only donkey and donkey skins from there, which has recently started. We need huge number of these kind of zones by China to Pakistan.
中国和巴基斯坦之间建立了非常多的工业经济特区，我们应该利用这些工业经济特区，尽大力的发展 B2B 的产业。
And when we talk about exports from Pakistan, agriculture products, halal meat or meat, seafood, pharmaceuticals, textiles, engineering, processed food, IT services, minerals, and industrial goods. There can be so many other things also, but to mention few, this is it. And textile above all. We are a textile country, and our 60% of our exports are based on textile. But it is not that these can be exported from Pakistan. Let me further explain it to you.
我们的IT 服务业也在大力的增长，并且我们的纺织业也是巴基斯坦的支柱产业，占巴基斯坦 GDP 贡献的60%，也是我们重点要发展的目标。
See, you are relocating your industry in your neighboring countries, in Far East Asia, in Southeast Asia. You're there in Indonesia, you're there in Bangladesh even, and so many other places. But they're very less number in Pakistan. Relocation of the industry because your labor costs have gone very high. We still have a cheap labor available here, and you can come and invest here in joint ventures or a sole ownership basis. You can always do that. So I'm inviting you to Pakistan to see that we can do the joint ventures, especially in textile. What would be the benefit to China? You can export these goods which you will manufacture here in joint venture or otherwise to the adjoining to the East Asia, to the Central Asia, Middle East, East Africa, and South Africa. That's what you can export it from here. It will be easier to do that. So that's what I'm inviting them to please come and have a joint collaboration. And we need the expertise which Chinese enjoy. Chinese have that expertise. Like the 3 things which are basic for the companies to run and run efficiently is the quality control, capacity utilization, and to reach the efficiency benchmarks. These are the 3 things which are required for any company to grow and produce things and export it to the world. And those things we can always have this if we have Chinese expertise. My one request to the Excellency would be that there was a program with Japan of Pakistan where the people who got retired and they are still in a good health and they can travel and they can do this.